I'd like to introduce Dr. S.P. Shekhawat sir, Vice Principal of our college. Sir completed PhD in Mechanical Engineering from KBC NMU Jalgaon. He is life member of various professional bodies like Indian Society for Technical Education, Solar Energy Society of India, Governing Council member of Solar Energy Society of India, member of Marathi Vignan Parishad, Marathi Science Council. Sir has total experience 20 years in teaching. He worked for various funded projects. He nominated as Associate Dean at Kaviyatri Bainabai Chaudhary Maharashtra University Jalgaon. He worked as a Director of Academics Development of SSBT COET from 2010 to 2016. He worked member of Governing Body of SSBT COET from 2011 to 2013. Member of Local Management Committee of SSBT COET in 2011, working as a Director of Administration from 2019 to till date. He is a Chairman of Board of Studies in Mechanical Automobile Production Engineering of Kaviyatri Bainabai Chaudhary North Maharashtra University Jalgaon from 2018. Chairman Board of Studies in Mechanical Automobile Production in North Maharashtra University from 2016 for 2 years. Sir worked as a resource person and delivered expert lectures on various topics in various colleges also. Sir worked as a member of committee to frame guidelines for recognition of post-graduation research center at affiliating college of NMU Jalgaon in 2017. Sir, member of committee to recommended research center for PhD research at KBC NMU Jalgaon. Sir is a member of committee for PhD guideship in the subject of mechanical engineering at KBC NMU Jalgaon. Member of the committee to allot PhD guide at KBC NMU Jalgaon. Member of research recognition committee. To call Dr. S.P. Shekhawat sir for welcome speech.
Good morning. President of today's function, Dr. K.S. Wani, Principal of this college, Chief Guest Architect Shashikanji Kulkarni, Rector of the hostels, Dr. S.L. Patil, Dr. G.K. Patnaik, Director Academics and HOD Computer Engineering, Convener of the Parent Meet, Professor Krishna Srivastav, distinguished parents, HODs, teaching and non-teaching staff, and members of the Parent Meet Committee. It is a great pleasure for me to welcome you all at the Parent Meet 2019-20. In doing so, I would like to express the expectations that this parent-teacher meet will become a source of thought-provoking ideas which would light up the path of institutional development in all respects. Last year, we were honored to take notice of the valuable suggestions from the attentive, generous parents like you. Here I am glad to inform you that many of the suggestions were implemented successfully in the last year. Today we have the liberty to hear advice from you and share our future plans, student achievements, and to exchange some brilliant ideas. We are lucky enough that the college was established in 1983 at the auspicious hands of Honorable Pratibha Tai Patil and Dr. Devi Singh Ji Shekhawat, who are shining examples of excellence and wisdom in all that they did. Their efforts in establishing the very concept of Technical Education Institute in a deprived region is an unparalleled example of social commitment and regional development. We will therefore, under the guidance of our chairman, Honorable Rao Sahib Ji Shekhawat, strive to achieve their dreams in the years ahead. Indeed, it would be no exaggeration to say that college has increasingly come up to be seen as the example of quality engineering education in the state of Maharashtra, which focus on the career excellence and personality development of students. The SSBT team is working to enhance the quality of engineering education by adopting the blend of conventional and modern approaches of teaching learning. We are now more focused on the use of digital platforms of teaching, online courses, MOOCs, faculty trainings in emerging technologies, induction programs, sports and cultural activities, technical competitions, and many more to improve employability skill of students. Another important initiative taken by us is to establish incubation centers in coordination with innovation and entrepreneurship development cell of the college. Such two incubations are on software development and hydroponics technology are approved by the management, and some seed money was also sanctioned. It will provide insight to technological solutions and delivery mechanism to bring entrepreneurship among the students. It also helps us to build incubation, innovation and entrepreneurship ecosystem in the college. The strength of SSBT lies in the quality of its teacher, a judicious mix of youth and experience, characterized by a culture of social and professional values, dedication towards the teaching and learning, commitment for student development, and sense of integrity, dedication, excellence, and accountability. We are offering PhD courses in all 7 available disciplines in the college. It's a sign of transformation from teaching to the research institute, perhaps the only institute of its kind in the North Maharashtra University regions. Therefore, dear parents, let me end by saying that nothing is greater than something changed in the right direction. So I am very delighted to welcome you all for this noble cause. Thank you very much.
For wonderful speech.